Promotional video for the Pixel Watch 2 has given us a sneak peek of what the smartwatch might offer. In particular, it shines a spotlight on the rotatable crown, which promised to be the key feature. The video highlights the meticulous design of the watch dial, suggesting the aesthetics has been the top priority in the development. Under the hood, the Pixel Watch 2 packs the Snapdragon Qualcomm W5 chip. This will be a huge improvement compared to its predecessor, which was the first generation Exynos 9110. This boost should give you smoother and more responsive user experience. In terms of memory, the Pixel Watch 2 retains 2 GB of RAM, ensuring it can handle multitasking and demand applications with ease. The display is 1.2-inch resolution AMOLED screen with 383 into 384 pixels. That will be 320 ppi. It runs with wearables 4, which is based on Android 13. This is not only feature-rich and customizable experience, but also improves its smartwatch features. The Pixel Watch 2 joins the launch of Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic as the first devices to get wearables 4. With the launch of the Pixel Watch 2 in India, it's clear that Google is poised to make a strong statement in the smartwatch market. The combination of powerful hardware, appealing design, and the latest software advancement make it an exciting prospect for tech enthusiasts and fitness enthusiasts.